Smart learning to the happy learners. It's me, Dr.Shobha, Principal, Associate Professor, and Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship, K.C.S.Kasi Nadar College of Arts and Science, here to give you a presentation on income tax law and practice. So, you may find me at my YouTube channel, Smart Learning with Dr. Shobha Edward. Now, we shall go on to some practical problems under deduction under section 80G. But before we go on to the problem, I would give you a recap of the provisions. So, deduction under section 80G is for donations. So, when you donate, you can claim a deduction under section 80G. It can be without limit donation, with limit donation. And under without limit donation, you have 100% exemption deduction given or 50% deduction given. And under with limit donation, it is actual amount or 10% of adjusted gross total income, whichever is less is the qualifying amount. And from the qualifying amount, we are going to take contribution towards promotion of family planning 100%, and the remaining qualifying amount we would be taking 50% as deduction under section 80G. So with this provision in mind, we will move on to a problem. So now, in this question, the gross total income is 40 lakh and this includes 10 lakh as long-term capital gain. So we can find the adjusted gross total income by subtracting this 10 lakh from 40 lakh. So your adjusted GTI is 30 lakh. Now going on to the question, first we identify the without limit donations, that is contribution to Prime Minister's National Relief Fund 1 lakh, contribution to National Defence Fund 2 lakh, contribution to Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Maharashtra 20,000. So all these come under without limit donation and they are all 100%. Then moving on to the with limit donation, we have contribution to a notified temple, to a recognized college, to PGI for family planning promotion, and to a municipal committee. So the total of these values 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 50,000 and 1 lakh comes to 4 lakh 50,000, which is the actual amount, or 10% of adjusted gross total income. Gross total income after adjustment is 30 lakh. So 10% of adjusted gross total income is 3 lakh. So 4 lakh 50,000 or 3 lakh, whichever is less, is the qualifying amount. So the qualifying amount in this case is 3 lakh. Since the qualifying amount is 3 lakh, we are able to provide contribution towards promotion of family planning as it is 100%. So 50,000 is written as it is, and from the qualifying amount, after subtracting this 50,000, we get 2 lakh 50,000 as the balance qualifying amount, and 50% of this balance is taken, which is 1 lakh 25,000. So this is given as a deduction. So the total of your 80G deductions amounts to 4 lakh 95,000. And one thing to bear in mind, contribution to a per student does not claim any eligibility of deduction under our section 80G as per the Income Tax Act. We'll move on to a similar question. So here again it is for 80G. So contribution towards Gujarat Earthquake Relief Fund, Africa Fund, Clean Ganga Fund. So all these are without limit donations. So 40,000, 10,000 and 20,000 is without limit and they take it as 100%. Then contribution to an educational institution, temple, municipal corporation come under with limit. So with limit donations, actual amount totals to 70,000 and 10% of adjusted gross total income. Gross total income is 6 lakh. No adjustments, so 10% of that is 60,000. So 70,000 or 60,000, which is less, is the qualifying amount. 60,000 is less, so the qualifying amount is 60,000. From this, contribution towards family planning expenditure 20,000 is taken as 100%, and from the balance 60,000, after subtracting this contribution towards promotion of family planning, we have 40,000, and 50% of this 40,000 is taken as a deduction. So your total deduction under section 80G comes to 1,10,000. And I think these problems would be easy for you to understand the concept of deduction under section 18G. So my YouTube channel, Smart Learning with Dr. Shobha Edward, will help you to have a clear understanding and a repeat of this provision where you can practice it at any time, anywhere. Thank you and have happy and smart learning.